Hi, in this video we're going to show you the new Copy as Table feature of the Windows Snipping tool. So depending on when you're watching this video, you may or may not have this feature yet. This is a Windows Insider Edition PC here, so it has it already. But like I said, it'll be coming out for everybody soon, so you might already have it. Alright, so we have this table here. This is just an image. It's not an actual table with text I could select. So how you do it is you just open the Snipping tool. Do your screenshot as usual. Now if I were to copy this the way it is, it would just copy it as an image and then I wouldn't be able to do anything with it. So what I want to do here is go to the text actions section. And now it selects the text. And this is a feature that's been around for a little bit, the copy all text. So if you wanted just the text to copy into Word or make your own table, you could do that. But we're going to use the copy as table option here. All right, so now we're going to go into Google Sheets here. And we're going to paste it in. And now you can see it's an actual table that you could click into and edit as needed. It didn't copy any formula there, so you'd have to make a new formula if you wanted to summarize these numbers here. But you can see it did a really good job, kept the headers, separated everything out with colors and so on. Alright, so once again, just select your table from whatever source. It could be a website, another document, or wherever else you'd find a table. Then choose Copy as Table. Alright, so let me show you the version here real quick. So this is Snipping Tool 11.2409, and I think you need to have at least 11.2408 to have this feature. So that's another way to check to see if it's available for you or not. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.